Hey guys, what's up? It's Ashley. As you can already tell from the title, today's video is just going to be me dyeing my friend's hair red. Her name is Ashika. She has been on the channel before, so for those of you who have been following this channel from the start, you would have seen that she was in 2 of our videos and her hair was dyed. But as you will see in this video, she cut out the color and it grew up quite a bit. All products and materials and measurements will be listed in the description box. Please be sure to check the description box. Yeah, so if you want to see, then keep on watching. Oh, and leave a comment for Shika. Her hair is very stretched because it was in a bun. So what I'm doing now is creating sections by separating the parts I want to bleach from the parts I don't want to bleach. I recommend putting it in sections because when working with bleach, we need Here I'm showing you the way I part her hair. It's kind of like a zigzag kind of part. I didn't part a straight line because I don't want the dyed part to look too uniformed. I know these twists look crazy and confusing, but I do this so I know the difference between the twists that I'm going to bleach and the ones that I'm not going to bleach. I place the foil paper under the section as you can see, and I apply a bit of the bleach and then roll it up. The foil paper is used to trap the heat that is generated by the chemical reaction, and if the bleach is exposed to air for too long, it won't work. There's no specific time that you should leave it on for. Just keep checking to see if your hair has reached the shade that you want it to be. I use a neutralizing shampoo because this rebalances the pH of your hair, and hair bleach is very acidic. During the bleaching process, the hair loses protein. So right now I'm applying the deep conditioner all over her hair, and I just put one big twist in it and I covered it with a plastic cap and left it on for 45 minutes. So now let's get to the fun part. I just applied the dye all over her hair using my fingers, no special way, and I left it on for 30 minutes under a plastic cap, and then I rinsed it with cool water. We've come to the end of this video, and this is the final look. It turned out great if you ask me, and she loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see y'all next week. Bye!